So over here, you can see that you have an event that is sent from an email. And let's say what you want to do is you want to set something to happen for such emails with event invitations. In that case, you can go around onto the view menu and then you can go to the view settings over here. So once you go around over here onto the view settings over here in calendar, you can see that events from email option is here. So these settings are applied on the account level, as you can see, and it only supports the one that is associated with Microsoft account like Microsoft Outlook or Hotmail. So over here, you can see that over here in events from email, mark events as private on my calendar so I can only see them. So whenever I receive emails from with event invitations, then it'll be set as private on the calendar. And you can also add these events to my calendar from email packages. For example, you can not show event summaries on detail on the calendar as well, or only show event summaries in emails. You can also show event summaries in emails and on my calendar as well. Over here, if you have some flight reservations, then you can choose specific actions for the flight reservation emails as well. You can show the event summaries in emails or also event summaries in emails and on the calendar. Similarly, same goes for hotel reservations and rental car reservations right here. You can choose not to show any event summaries or only show the summaries in the email, or you can just not mark the events as private, or you mark the events as private, as you can see. So depending on what you want and how you want the events that is the events from emails to be set on your calendar, that is how you can choose the option as you like. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.